Hello everyone, welcome back to our premium course. Today we will focus about drop beam and drop slab. To use the option, you should check with the supported document with effect on the consider planes beam. When the offset is upward direction and downward direction, you must check with the reference document. If the slab overlap greater than 50 mm, the slab 1 is a valid candidate to act as a flank. In the option 2, the slab consider this beam can design as the T-beam, and for the option 1, slab is a valid candidate to act a flank. Slab 2 is not a valid candidate. So in the case, the beam can design for the rectangular or for the L-beam. The second option can design both for the rectangular beam and for the T-beam. For more detail, check with the plane beam. Come back to the Tekla Structural Designer. Now I want to use the drop beam here. Click on the model, edit, split, split. Select on the beam. You want to split. Click. Slab item. Now we will split this beam. Check the alignment. Top measure offset minus 100. Minus 100. Check in 3D. This beam. You see here, now the drop is minus 100 from the top alignment. Okay, you see here, the left beam and the right beam. Turn off the slab item. Okay, this beam. Okay, now we drop it downward 100 mm. Come back on the second floor. Slab. Okay. For the slab is the same. Now I want to drop this slab to minus 100 mm. Click on the vertical offset type minus 100. Enter. Come back to 3D to check. Open slab item. Okay, you see here the slab on the left side is alignment with the beam at the top, and at the right side the beam and the slab, the offset is minus 100 mm. It is difficult to check right now. Okay, we had to use the section cut. Come back to the second floor. Click on model, validate, no error, home, edit, cutting plan. Click on 3D. Where is the plan we want to check and to cut? Find it. In this location right now. Correct. Click on cutting plan. Click on the plan you want to cut. Click on the direction or narrow side. Drag and drop to the location you want to cut. Now I want to cut in the plan. Click. Escape. Check the left view. Turn off the member. Okay, now you see the slab, the left slab and the right slab here. What is different? The offset is 100 mm. Okay, check. You see the offset here. This is how we can use the offset for the beam and for the slab to drop the level, and how we can check visually by using cutting plan. Okay, cutting plan. Now I use it again, cutting plan. I want to cut it. Click on the narrow side, drag and drop. Again, click on the bottom plan, drag and drop. And click on this plan, drag and drop. I want to show only the two grid. Escape. Okay. It is how we can use cutting plan to check the model. Click on the left and check. Come back, click on the member to check. Okay. Also check with the beam. This beam we use the top alignment to downward direction 100 and this slab is the same 100. Click on the cutting plane. Now click on this panel. I want to restore the default view. Okay. Click on the plane. Again. Okay. The same. Click. Move. Escape. So, may you ask me a question? Mr. Jimba, now I want to cut in different angle. How can I do? Check the cutting plane. You see here in the cutting plane, you can cut only the 0 degree and 90 degree. You can cut in different angle. Correct? Yes. We can use the beading angle to cut in different direction. Okay. Now I want to cut 45 angle. Okay, click on the structure, click on the structure and the beading rotation, change it to 45 degrees. Whatever degree you want to cut, you input direct here. Now I want to show you 45 degree. Enter. Again, come back to cutting plane. You see here. Now you can cut in 45 degree. Okay. This is the 45 degree. You can select on plane, select on narrow side, drag and drop, escape. You see here. This is how you can use cutting plane in different angle. Come back to the structure, click on the structure. Now I want to cut in angle 60 degree. Enter, cutting plane. Click on the plane and come back, select on the narrow side, move. Yeah, this is the angle we just defined. Okay. You can show the direction of the beading. You see here the direction of beading, direction 1 and direction 2. Home, structure. You can change the direction to the HV, horizontal and vertical. Change to the HY. Keep it the 0. You see the direction X is the same with the global coordinate system, like X and Y direction. Okay, X, Y. This is the beading direction. Now you can change to direction 1 or 2 or direction horizontal or vertical. This is how you can show the beading direction and change the beading direction rotation. Okay, you can change to any angle you want and you can use that angle to cut the plane. Now we show you how you can turn on cutting plane directly in Tekla Structural Designer. Click on the cutting plane. You have two choices. The first choice, click on the plane. You see here the original model is restored. For the top view, top cutting plane, the same. Click on the cutting plane. Left click. So the original view restore at the top cutting plane. Again, click on the cutting plane. Escape. Cutting plane. Click on the cutting plane. Escape. This is how you can use the cutting plane to turn on and turn off in Tekla Structural Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your watching.